So Hyundais, when you walk up to them, if the key was in your pocket, they have a welcome function. So you walk up to the car or you get near it, the door mirror comes out, and then sometimes if they have a light in the door mirror, it'll actually come on. It's only when you walk past the car with the key or as you approach the car. So they call it a welcome function, and if you don't use it, then they will eventually come back in again after approximately about 45 seconds, something like that. Anyway, some people are saying that they don't want it to do it, but they weren't sure how to turn it off. So I have other videos for this, for the previous shape, but if you have the newer cars like the 23 Kona onwards, 24 Tucson, 24 Santa Fe, Ioniq, all that kind of stuff, all this software now has become very similar on them. So you have a home screen. The easiest way to do it is just whichever model you're in, find the setup button and then go into vehicle. This is where it gets confusing for people. So they're going, right, it should be in, something to do with a door or convenience or what. It's none of them. It's in lights. You would not think it's to do with lights. So you press that and then you want to disable or enable, whichever one you want. Sorry, right in front of me. Welcome mirror. So welcome mirror. Do you want it to open up as the driver approaches or only when you unlock the door? So in other words, if I had this, that means basically when I walk up to the car, the door mirrors will only open when I unlock it. Or if I had it this way, that means I don't want the function to be on at all. Anyway, it's not where you would think it is in the menu. So hopefully that's useful for somebody. Thanks for watching.